Welcome to Amazing World Facts. Today, we dive into an incredible discovery that has left historians and archaeologists astounded. Imagine this. You're staying at a lavish French hotel surrounded by picturesque views, enjoying a glass of fine wine. But beneath your feet lies a hidden piece of history, a forgotten world waiting to be unveiled. Recently, during the expansion of a high-end hotel in France, workers stumbled upon something extraordinary, an ancient castle fortress dating back 600 years. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this medieval marvel and explore the fascinating history buried beneath modern luxury. Dr. Émilie Dubois, medieval historian.
Welcome. I'm Dr. Émilie Dubois, and I'm thrilled to take you through this remarkable find. This site, now known for its luxury accommodations, was once a stronghold of significant historical importance. Let's step back in time and unravel the mystery of this 600-year-old castle fortress.
Our story begins in the late 14th century, during a period of great turmoil and transformation in Europe. The Hundred Years' War was raging between England and France, leading to the construction of many defensive structures across the French countryside. This newly discovered fortress was likely built as a strategic stronghold to protect the region from invading forces. As archaeologists began their meticulous excavation, they uncovered a wealth of artifacts that paint a vivid picture of life in the fortress. Among the findings were weapons, pottery, coins, and even remnants of medieval clothing. Each item tells a unique story about the people who lived and worked here. Dr. Émilie Dubois.
This sword, for instance, is a remarkable find. Its design and craftsmanship suggest it belonged to a high-ranking knight or noble. Discoveries like this help us understand the social hierarchy and the daily lives of those who inhabited the fortress.
Among the most intriguing discoveries were a collection of coins from various periods. These coins not only provide insight into the economic activities within the fortress, but also highlight its connections with other regions and the broader medieval world. Situated along key trade routes, this fortress played a crucial role in controlling and protecting commerce in the area. Its strategic position allowed its inhabitants to monitor and regulate the flow of goods, enhancing their economic and political power. One of the most captivating aspects of this discovery is the network of underground tunnels and hidden chambers. These tunnels were likely used for various purposes, from secret escapes to storage and clandestine meetings. Exploring these passageways gives us a glimpse into the defensive strategies and daily operations of the fortress. The local historian.
The region where this fortress was found has a rich and complex history. It has witnessed countless battles, shifting alliances, and significant cultural developments. This discovery adds a new chapter to our understanding of the area's past and its role in shaping medieval France.
In a brilliant fusion of past and present, the hotel developers have decided to preserve the ruins and incorporate them into the hotel experience. Guests can now explore the ancient fortress, walk through its historic halls, and immerse themselves in a unique blend of luxury and history. To share this incredible discovery with the public, the hotel has created an exhibit featuring the artifacts unearthed during the excavation. Visitors can marvel at the medieval relics and learn about the fortress's storied past through interactive displays and guided tours. Hotel manager.
The discovery of the castle fortress has transformed our hotel into a destination for history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. It offers a unique opportunity for our guests to connect with the past while enjoying modern amenities. The blend of history and hospitality has truly set us apart.
The integration of the ancient fortress into the hotel has created an educational and engaging experience for visitors of all ages. Families can explore the ruins, learn about medieval life, and even participate in hands-on activities that bring history to life. To further enhance the historical experience, the hotel hosts reenactments of medieval battles and events, allowing guests to witness the sights and sounds of the past. These performances provide an immersive glimpse into the lives of the fortress's original inhabitants and the conflicts they faced. The restoration of the fortress has been a labor of love, with skilled artisans and historians working tirelessly to preserve its original beauty. Their efforts ensure that future generations can appreciate and learn from this remarkable piece of history. As night falls, the fortress takes on a new character, its ancient stones bathed in gentle light. It's a serene and enchanting sight, a perfect blend of historical grandeur and modern elegance. The discovery of this 600-year-old castle fortress is a testament to the enduring legacy of the past. It reminds us that history is always closer than we think, waiting to be uncovered in the most unexpected places. Here, amidst the luxury of a modern hotel, we find a gateway to a bygone era, a link to our shared heritage. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing World Facts for more captivating stories from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the amazing world around you.